These blushes in here look so cute. I literally want to eat them. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Maddie P. And in today's video, we are having a full deep dive into this Merit Beauty Les Bonbons Flush Balm Cheek Color Collection. The fact that it's called Les Bonbons, also that French, who is she? So this Vault collection comes with 12 of their Flush Balm cheek colors. 4 of the shades are brand new, so I'm super excited to dive into them. The Flush Balm cheek colors are such a beautiful, creamy blush. They're some of my favorites on the market. They work really, really well for my acne-prone textured skin. Okay, so now is the time to take it out of this cute little packaging and get into the swatches. It actually makes me sad. I really might have to put these back in the box after. I'm not joking. This entire Vault collection as well is also on sale at the moment on their website. If you're interested, go and check it out. Okay, wait. I'm organizing these out so I can swatch them, figure out which ones are the new ones. I'm realizing now that there's 5 new shades. Did I say 4? 4 of the shades are brand new. My bad, there's actually 5. Glad we got that cleared up. First and foremost, let's go ahead and swatch the pre-existing shades. This first one here is called Beverly Hills. The packaging of these are just so cute. They're so easy if you just want to swipe on. That's why I love them so much. Assume the position of the arm swatch. If you know, you know. This is how we swatch on my channel. Okay, so let's start right here. I do already own this shade. I'm not gonna lie, I don't reach for it a ton because it's such like a pale pink color. But if you're a no blush girly, this could be the one for you. Okay, next up we have Rouge. This one is clearly a really bold red shade. Oh yeah. This one launched last year at Christmas time. I thought it was gonna be a limited edition, but I guess it's like in the collection, which honestly I appreciate because I don't always love when brands, it's like limited edition, limited edition, limited edition. It's like, can we just hang on to things? It's such a beautiful red shade though, and I find it to not be like super intimidating. So I reach for it all the time. Okay, next up we have Stockholm, which is a really nice pinky shade as well. Got a little bit of like peach in there. Another really nice bright pink color. Okay, next shade is Persimmon, which looks like a really beautiful burnt orange shade. I'm excited to see. Oh yeah. Some nice like browns in there. Really, really pretty. I'm excited to try that. Okay, next up we have Fox. I already own this one as well and I reach for it all the time. It's just so beautiful. It's like that deep reddy brown shade. Oh, I really didn't expect to love this shade as much as I do, but I do. It's my favorite Merit blush shade that I own at the moment. That could change. Okay, next up we have Cheeky. Cheeky holds a special place in my heart because this was the first Merit blush shade that I own. They sent it to me in PR. This is such a wearable shade because it's such a nice cool pink, which I love for my skin tone. This to me is just like the perfect everyday blush shade. Beautiful. Stunning. Okay, the last pre-existing shade is a shade called Aprés, as in Aprés ski, I assume. This looks to be like such a nice berry shade. Oh yeah, look at that. Just a darker, more vibrant version of Cheeky. Stunning. But you see how it looks so much more intimidating in the packaging here. And then once you really swatch it, it just shears out in the perfect way. Love. Okay, next getting into the 5 new shades. I have to start out with Les Bonbons. This is just such a pretty, like bright pink shade. I love a bright pink blush shade. Go ahead and swatch that. Oh yes. It's not as like bubblegum pink as I was initially thinking, but I guess it's very true to what you see in the packaging there. Okay, next up we have Lustiano, which just looks like such a nice soft peach shade. I love to reach for a blush like this when I want something more subtle, more sun-kissed on my fair skin. And yes, just looks so beautiful. I'm very excited for this one. Okay, next up is Postmodern, which appears to be a very nice like deep brown shade obviously, but with some like red in there. I'm intrigued what it's gonna swatch like. So let's have a look here. Oh yes. It's definitely more on the pinky shade, so you're getting a bit of like berry in there as opposed to red. I love that. Okay, next shade we have is Bespoke. Really nice brown, like no blush shade. Super excited for this one. Oh yes. That is giving me like somewhat of a bronzy, like blushy shade, which I'm loving at the moment. I never thought I'd say that. I'm always like a really bright blush person. Okay, and the last new shade we have here is called Archival, which just looks like a really nice, cool pink shade. This is suiting because I really have no room left on my arm, but let's go ahead and swatch that. Ooh, pretty. It's a little bit like Cheeky. So this one's Cheeky, which I know and love, next to Archival. So you can see Archival is just like a little bit cooler there. I love that brands are like leaning more into cool tones. It's time that we do. I'm just like so traumatized by the 2016 days of everything being like so warm toned. I'm still recovering from that. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and apply some blush here. Naturally, I wanna go in with Les Bonbons and I just feel like it'd be rude not to. Maybe I'll pair something on top, I don't know. I've already done my full face of makeup. I've powdered, set, everything. And this is usually when I go in with my cream blush actually. I'll maybe do like a little bit of underpainting, but especially for the Merit formula, I prefer using this after my powder products. I just find it helps it sit better. Now, this is on the brush. I'm a little scared for that. Let's just go ahead and work some into the back of my hand there. Oh yeah, that's gonna be pretty. Les Bonbons. Les Bonbons. Oh, I just like love this formula so much. And yes, you can just like swipe on, but because I like to use it after my powder products, I don't want to do that. I don't want to be aggressive like that. So I take my brush and just dip right in. Tap on the back of my hand and then apply. And always tap, tap, tap. Never swipe. You know the drill. It's just so pretty. I'm so happy they've created a shade like this and just a few other like pops of colors like this peachy, what is this called? Lustiano. It's Italian. So I just feel like it was very neutral before. Lots of like pinks, variations of pinks. So I'm glad they're integrating some more like pops of colors. Just buff out the edges with my beauty blender. Okay, I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Archival. This was like the no blush shade. And I'm actually gonna take a little bit on this same brush and I'm gonna apply it somewhat underneath. I probably should have done this first, but whatever. Just to give it a little bit more of like a sculpted effect. And I'm gonna pinch my brush like so, almost like I'm contouring. Oh yeah. If you don't already, creating blush combos just like makes me happy, elevates your blush. Who doesn't want to elevate your blush? I mean, come on. Love this formula, love the packaging. The only complaint I do have about this packaging is the fact that it's so different to other brands, that fitting it in with your other blushes and in your makeup collection is a little bit tricky. That's my only complaint, but that's my organization OCD coming through. Thank you. So this is the Flush Balm Cheek Color On. Love it, so pretty. I love the new shades. I think it really elevates their shade range and I think they're kind of filling in some gaps that they needed to. So I'm super happy to see this from Merit. I love the brand. I hope to see more of them in 2025. I think they deserve so much more hype. If you've tried this product, let me know your favorite shade. And if you tried any of the new 5 shades, comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you for a new video next week and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye guys.